Hello, welcome to FarmCom. Just like to share with you how I started my backyard farming. Started the March ending. See a need for me to keep chickens and turkey at my backyard. So I decided, okay, let me go for local chicken and a turkey, as you can see in this video, using one of my unused room in my house. So I decided to keep them. Started with 5 turkeys and 8 local chicken. Feeding them, and though I have a limited time to supervise and look around, but what I do is I feed them food while I go to work. Then once I'm back at night, I try to check on them, get the place clean, replace the water, and put in food for another day. So with this, I have no need of timing is not an issue, though it's another big factor. This is to show another introduction of Noila chicks and also cockerel, which added also to the flock. Look at the local breed. They are growing, and just catching crews here with them. This has to be one of the weekend ones. I'm not going anywhere, so I had to stay around and just familiarize myself with them. Give them some local herbs to also supplement for what they are missing if they are to feed in the backyard. And this also shows the Noila and the cockerel. Also, I added the turkey here, so I mix them in another apartment while I keep the pure local breed in this apartment. They can feed on anything, as you can see. Giving them water spinach so as a snack. So I think they really enjoy it, and that's also helped me in cutting down the food. This is the picture, and also taking water. So, and their growth can be so amazing. So it can be sometimes tiring because going out, going to work, coming back in the evening, you still need to keep check and also checking on them. It is very, very important. While I did a short video just to monitor their progress as they are growing. It is very nice. It is very nice. It is very nice. So it's just another thing to consider. You may be wondering, you have a small space or there is no need. You don't have a big space. You don't need to start with a big space. All you need is just a small space that you can keep, watch them grow, monitor their activities. As you can see, it's very obvious that this is one unused room in my house. So, and also to keep them away because once I'm not around, nobody to look after them. So this is me taking them to my backyard. Yeah, I think they need to exploit the free space at my backyard. This is the turkey. You have the cockerel and the Noila. You have the locals. So everyone inside at the backyard. So I think just for them to feel on the grass, so I don't need to bring the grass to them. I take them to where the grass is. So also putting out their cage, construct the pen, and also laying boxes which I constructed outside there. At least they can enjoy the free freedom. So going on salmon range, because I only open them mostly when I'm available by weekends. Then put them inside the cage and fill them inside the cage there. It's also enjoyable watching them playing around. So I also do some other things in the backyard. Try, yeah, that's nice. So they all over me. Just need one thing or the other. They always look for food. So once they see me coming, they know the food is sure. So that is one beautiful thing, and it's also keeping me busy. Yeah, that is lunch time. And as you can see, so they also help me in clearing the backyard. So because all the grass that are growing while I introduce them to my backyard, they feed on everything, and they help me to clear the back. So it's also helpful in me paying for all these people clearing my back, all the time I'm going to spend in weeding everything. So it's such a fun. At least I do this every weekend, and I give them feed early in the morning before work. Check on them when I'm back from work. At least so far it's going great. So for you people still standing on the fence looking for that big land, or looking for all the times in the world, you're thinking of when you can start, how you can start. You don't need much to start. I started with 8 local. I added 5 turkey to it. Then I added the noila and the cockerel. So you can also do that gradually. It is not a must you need to have tens of thousands at hand or in your account. You can start with the little you have at hand, and watch it grow. Yeah. So, and if you're still sticking around watching this video till now and you find value in it, please may I kindly ask you to subscribe. Yeah, if you're still watching till this time and you find value in what you're watching, please kindly subscribe and like and share this video, so that you can encourage and motivate me to do more of a video like this, even on a bigger scale, because this is just me starting, while I also looking forward to add more and incorporating some other farm animal to it. Thank you. And these are the broiler which I also introduced later. These are 5 faces. Then and these are just 3 weeks. These are going to 5 weeks now. And also, guys, I've been completely in my backyard opening my door. They are all what I see. Thanks for watching. Kindly like and subscribe, and see more of you with a new video. Thank you.